Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty. I am sorry, I've actually filmed 2 videos since my last video. One of my first video I filmed, I completely lost it. Don't know where it went, it's completely gone. And then the other video I filmed it, and then half of it was like going up and down, and then the other half was going this way. Like, it messed up filming wise. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen again today. I do film on my phone, so I don't know if something happened there when I wasn't watching it. And I've also decided to start switching over because sometimes my front camera is not always the best because I do have an iPhone 8. So I know that one's not as good as my back camera. So I started filming on the back side. Hopefully that helps. But anyways, I'm going to show you this Aurora Glow Eyeshadow UV Blacklight palette. It's very holographic and shiny on the front. Hope you guys see this. And I do not have a black light to test the black light part of this palette, but I do love the fact that these are all neon colors. Like, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. Can't wait to hop into these neons today. I'm so excited. So let's hop into that. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'm gonna put primer on and I will be right back. Alright, so I've done my eyebrows, I primed my lids, and I'm gonna forewarn you before I start doing this, if you hear like a rumbling noise or growling, it's my dogs. They're roughhousing it apparently today because I've never seen this, but they were started upstairs and they ran all the way down the stairs and were just by my table while I was doing the rest of my makeup. So yeah, anyways, let's hop into this palette. Let's get some brushes out. You guys, I'm so excited for this palette. And I'm so excited to film. Like, I feel like I haven't been able to film for you guys in a while. And also, I'm sorry, I just shook the table, which shook the camera. But yeah. Anyways, I don't even know what I want to do. They're so bright and pretty. It's just like, what do I do? I'm going to start, because I said 6 earlier. I know. I'm going to start with this purple shade. On this round brush. And, well, it's just going to go on. Right? Oh my goodness. That's just like a little dab. Holy moly, you guys. I've been needing this. It's going on really smooth. Like, I'm really impressed right now with how smooth these eyeshadows are. Stella, go lay down. Holy moly. Do you guys see how, like, I'm impressed. Like, this came on my eyelid so smooth. It's not even funny. Stella. She's over by Kiki. Stella, come lay down. Now we're going to do this eye. We're going to just put it above the crease. Do you guys see how smooth? That's like, I'm impressed, you guys. I know I've only used this one color in this palette, but for them being so neon-y and smooth, I'm just now curious if the black light feature actually works. Like, I wish I had a black light right now. So this one I kind of did that, so we're going to try to mimic that. Okay, I can't obviously mimic So, she is finding everything. By the way, this is like, we don't use this basement downstairs area for anything except for, I'm only even taking up half of it. Like, there's a whole other empty half, and she's just finding random stuff in the carpet, which is weird because we're never down here unless I'm filming. So anyways, we started off with this matte neon purple shade. And there's no names in this, so if you get this palette, you know where they are. I know I showed you guys the palette at the beginning, so you can always go back if you have this palette and you need to figure it out. I probably will insert another picture here, and I'll probably like what shades I did, like 1, 2, 3. So this is shade 1. The next color I'm gonna go in with is, I think I'm gonna do the pink. I wanna like put some pink up there. So we have the pink. Oh, hello. Put a little bit on each side. And we'll just, wow. It's just so pigmented. You guys, this is amazing. And look how smooth they are. And I thought they felt like, they don't feel chalky. They feel smooth. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is happening. For like 20 bucks, this is like an amazing palette. Like, the shades don't feel chalky. They're super pigmented. They're neon. And they're smooth. Like, I feel like I'm not even having to really, like, build up my colors. I just brushed that into my brow. My bad. But, yeah. This is just gorgeous. And then I'm going to kind of blend these two colors together. Alright, so what I'm getting is this one has more of like dew and this one's more roundy. I wonder if I like clean that up, if that would help. Who knows? Alright, so there's our neon pink on. It's a little patchy, I'll be honest. More I look up close because I can't see far away, so I'm over here like, oh, this looks good. And I still love the formula. But I do notice, like, right here, it's more like my skin's peeping through. So I'm going to just try to, add a little on this side, too. Forgot how light these can be. There we go. That looks a little better. Do the same on this side. We'll just blend that out. Yeah, I think it's just the eyeshadow itself and how it's sitting on my skin, or maybe I just didn't get enough primer there. But it is a little patchy, but you're not going to see that. You're not going to be paying attention. It's still going to look good, I hope. Alright, well anyways, so there's that. I'm going to wipe this brush off. I have one of these blank slate little foam thing. Talked about it in another video. But this way I'm not washing my brushes all the time, and I can reuse this one because there's no color being transferred. So that's nice. The next color I'm going to go in for is, I don't know if I want to do like the neon green or the neon turquoise. I think I'm going to do the turquoise. Yeah. I hate swatching with my fingers sometimes. Alright, so we're going to go in this turquoisey color. Turquoise and neon blue. Ow, those are my toes. Don't bite them. Yeah, this is something. I'm loving this. The next thing we're going to do is do eyeliner. Underneath this deep turquoise color, which is next to the purple. Anyways, right below it is a shimmer version of this shade. So that's going to be my eyeliner, I think. Yeah. And then for my inner corner, I think it's going to be the shade above it. Okay. And then I'm gonna take what I have, a black eyeliner. I'm gonna use that. And then I'm gonna go over my black eyeliner with some glitter glue. And yeah. Okay. As I close my eyelid, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the colors are pushed away. So I do need to I need to blend that. Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this because I don't want this video to be super long. I'm going to come back with eyeliner and the glitter on top of my eyeliner. And I'm also going to blend my crease really quick. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I have even put my foundation on because I was like, okay, I might as well put my foundation on. That way I can also show you guys what I do on my cheeks and stuff. Currently, all I did was I took my black liquid eyeliner, and you can't make this out. If you can make this out, congrats. I can't. So I took a simple, just normal liquid black eyeliner that I like, and then on top of that, I used my finger, and I took a little tiny dab and just patted it onto the black eyeliner, and then I took a very thin pointed brush, kind of like this. It might have been this one. I think it was this one. This brush, and I dipped it in the glitter, and I just dabbed along the black line. The black line basically gave me an outline and gave me something to put under the glitter, and I feel like it helped make my wing eyeliner stand out and look really cute. But anyways, I used the NYX glitter glue. Love this stuff. It's awesome. Yeah. Next I want to show you is how I'm going to do a color on my under eye. I have decided on doing a orange, I think. You know what? It's all neon. It's going to look good no matter where you put it. So we're just going to go in with this, not the first row, but in the second row, orange neon. Take it. You're going to just dab. And then I'm going to go in with, I need something in my inner corner, you guys. I'm going to go in with the neon green, and, or should I go with the lime, the yellow, neon yellow? Let's do the neon green. And just take the same brush. Probably could use, like I said, a much smaller brush, but no, I'm like, nope, not working. I'm just going to dab that in my inner corner. Alright, so this is the look I've created. I don't know, I look very bright. I'm not used to that. I do love this look. I think next time I'm going to plan a little bit more and figure out how I want to do what color with what color. I do love my glitter eyeliner that I got from this palette. I'm loving the green on the inner corner. The only two colors so far I've had problems with is the orange and the pink, which in this palette, I'll show you really quick, is this orange and this pink shade are the only ones that seem a little chalky, but as long as you keep applying product and blending, I think it's gonna be fine. But yeah, I will do the rest of my face. So yeah, anyways, this is my look, and I hope you enjoyed going over this palette with me and doing this fun eye look, and bearing with me for this video taking so long to get to you guys. And I'm also sorry this is a very long video, so if you're a true viewer, I'm so happy you stayed till the end. Thank you. Bye. See you guys next time. Like, I don't even know if these work. Like, I haven't even swatched these. I've swatched, like, the stars in it. Here they are. Do you hear them? Girls, knock it off. I'm filming, girls. Sorry. Well, anyways, I think I'm gonna have to start with this, like, fluffy-ish brush. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. They just totally moved my lines. And now they hit my table. They don't start roughhousing again, and I don't know what Scylla's eating, but she's like, it's probably a bug. She ate a cricket yesterday, and it was so gross. There was a cricket down here, and she ate it. Just is what it is, right? They're dogs. I don't know what to do. Like,